Hey guys, welcome back to Online Scam Advisor, where we review popular products to help you avoid scams and make smart buying decisions. Today, we're diving into the Lenreey Patch, a product that claims to help you lose weight effortlessly just by sticking a patch on your body. Sounds too good to be true? Let's find out if it really works, or if it's just another scam. The Lenreey Patch is marketed as a natural weight loss aid. The makers say it uses transdermal technology to release fat-burning ingredients directly into your skin, helping boost metabolism and reduce appetite. But there's limited scientific evidence to back these claims. Weight loss patches, in general, are controversial, and experts often warn against relying on them alone. The patch supposedly contains herbal ingredients like green tea extract, Garcinia cambogia, and others known for their metabolism-boosting effects. However, the exact ingredient list is sometimes vague or missing on their website, which is a red flag. Plus, even if these ingredients help with weight loss, the effectiveness through skin absorption is questionable. We looked at customer reviews online. Some users say they saw minor results when combining the patch with diet and exercise, but many others reported no noticeable change and felt it was a waste of money. Several reviews also mention issues with skin irritation or allergic reactions from wearing the patch. So, is the Lenreey Patch worth trying? Our advice is to be cautious. It's not a magic solution, and the lack of solid evidence means it's unlikely to deliver significant weight loss on its own. If you're serious about losing weight, focus on proven methods like healthy eating, regular exercise, and consulting a healthcare professional. Have you tried the Lenreey Patch? Share your experience in the comments below. It helps others make informed choices. If you found this review helpful, please like, subscribe to Online Scam Advisor, and hit the bell icon for more honest reviews and scam alerts. Thanks for watching, and stay smart out there. Thank you.